Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to withdraw USDC from your Tangem wallet to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring your funds smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device and that you're logged in. If you haven't already, download it from the App Store and set up your wallet with your USDC balance. Remember, USDC is a stablecoin, so it's great for transfers without wild price swings. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app and navigate to your dashboard. Locate your USDC balance. It should be easy to find under your assets list. Double-check that you have enough USDC to cover the transfer, including any network fees. Next, select the Send or Withdraw option for your USDC. This might be a button or a menu item, depending on the app's latest update in 2025. You'll need to enter the recipient's address. That's your Uphold wallet address. Pro tip: always copy and paste this address directly from Uphold to avoid any typos that could send your funds to the wrong place. Once you've entered the amount you want to withdraw, review the transaction details carefully. This includes the network you're using, probably Ethereum or another supported chain for USDC. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. Now, head over to your Uphold app or website. It might take a few minutes for the transfer to show up, so keep an eye on your transaction history. Once it arrives, you'll see your USDC balance updated. If anything goes wrong, check for error messages or contact support. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn USDC from Tangem to Uphold. Always prioritize security in crypto. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy with your investments.